Alright, ladies and gentlemen, the Christmas season is upon us. To celebrate the season, we chose to go to a local car show / benefit. This car show was specifically for the Race for the Ronald House, put on by a bunch of local guys that do an annual fundraiser for the Ronald McDonald House. If you guys are not familiar with the Ronald McDonald House, it is a charity who houses families that are going through family health crises. They are able to house a family whose child may have cancer or some other horrible disease or illness, and basically keep them closer to the hospitals, and they are able to be closer to their loved one. We've supported this group of racers for a couple years now. We helped out with the making the trophies for the race that they have in the summer. They hold a race every year at Maple Grove Raceway, and it is attended by a great group of guys who are very charitable. Lots of our broken car parts have made their way onto trophies for the event, so it is kind of neat to be able to recycle some of our past failures and basically turn them into trophies for others to use. For the car show, we decided to take my 63 Studebaker Lark. You guys are probably very familiar with this car. It's very likely this is the car that drew you to this YouTube channel. I got to drive it close to 200 miles that day. It was about 100 miles there, 100 miles back, and it was great drag week testing. Part of the car show is there is a toy drive we of course donated to. The goal is to collect as many presents as possible for kids who are in need. It was great to be involved in this event. Overall, we had a fantastic time. And if you're in the Eastern PA area, I would highly recommend that you attend next year. It's a great time and we would love to have you. Additionally, for the Christmas spirit, we chose to go get our Christmas tree with one of our hot rods. Come on, Dodo. Say cheese. Here we go. We got our trees. Yay. We like to get live trees, so we had to load the tree inside of the car. It would have been more picturesque if we could have put it on the top, but we like to plant our Christmas trees every year. From a very young age, I've watched trees that were about this tall, just 3 little branches, a twig, essentially. I've watched them grow up to be taller than me, so it's just something that we do every year. Try to offset our carbon emissions a little bit.
Okay. Here's our Christmas trees. They're like Charlie Brown Christmas trees. In they go. Hopefully they fit. Oh, they'll work. They'll fit. Because they're just little Christmas trees. Christmas trees. One Christmas tree for Hobbs and one Christmas tree for Buttercup and Sunny.
Can we do burnouts?
Perfect.
Okay. Naturally, if you got a Christmas tree in your hot rod, you got to do a Christmas tree burnout. So that about wraps up 2021. We've had a pretty excellent year. We've had some ups, we've had some downs, but we got through it, and I think it has turned into a very successful year. I hope that everybody else out there has had a wonderful year. From our family to yours, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.